Hi everyone, it's S.EBRAHIM here on our channel Easy Maths. Okay, so today our topic is on stats, and what I've gathered here is some datas. It's from a class with 10 learners in a classroom, and they just wrote a maths test, and it's out of 100. So these are the marks that we've gathered, okay? And I'm going to summarize this data. So I want to grade this class's performance, and how I'm going to do that is three methods. The first one I'm going to calculate is the mean. Okay, so to calculate the mean, another name for mean is called average. Okay, and the symbol for average is an X with a line on the top. So the mean and the average is calculated by finding the total number of data divided by the number of datas used. Right, so it's the total data, right, divided by the number of data used. Okay, so I'm just going to do that quickly. So 90 plus 15 plus 20 plus 80 plus 65. And you need to add the bottom row as well. 70 plus 45 plus 56 plus 32 plus 70, all divided by the total number used. So as is 10 learners, so we had 10 datas divided by 10, and my amount, you use a calculator and you will get an amount of 543 divided by 10, and that gives you 54.3. You can estimate it amount to 54. Okay, so this is the mean that we calculated. So it means the average class performance is at 54%. Okay, the next method that we use is the next step is after we can use is the median. Okay, so pupils get confused with mean and median. So with median, I tell these kids to look at the word median, which means middle, okay? And obviously, in order for you to choose a center or a middle number, it's only fair enough if you take your data and rearrange from the lowest to the highest. So I'm going to be doing just that. So 15, and as I'm going to strike out. So 15, then I've got 20, then I've got 32, and after 32 I've got 45, then I've got 56, take that out, then I've got 65, and yeah, I'm ranging it, 65, 70, and then a 70 again, and then 90. Now from here I've arranged it from the lowest to the highest. Oh, sorry, we missed one here, which is 80. Right, so I'm just going to erase this out, 80, and that's 90. Please go again and just quickly add and see. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. We've got our 10 datas. So what I'm going to do now is choose the center. And I normally just strike out the first and the last, continuing in that pattern, first, last. And then you'll notice that we got, if I strike those two, there's nothing left. So what we're going to do is I'm going to ring these two here. So I will say it's 56 plus 65, and I will divide it by 2 because the median here will be the center of 56 and 65. That equals to 121 divided by 2, which gives you 60,5. Okay, so that's the median for the class performance. Okay, and the last one, which is called a mode, and so we've done 1, 2, and then there's one more, which is the mode. Okay, what I normally choose when it comes to the mode, okay, it means the repeated number, or the most frequent number. So the most frequent number here in this data was 70. Right, that's very, very simple. So 70 is the mode. And so what we have done today is we calculated the mean, median, and mode for the stats. It's giving us our class performance.